Ladies and gentlemen, Xbox Series X, PS5, both came out recently. Why haven't I made a video on it? Because I kind of forgot about it. So in this video, we're going to be discussing both, which you should buy, and my opinions on the both of them, or the two of them. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this sounds okay. The two consoles just got like a big press release and everything like that. And I'm going to be going through some specific specifications and my overall opinions in this video and tell you which one you should pick up, because I think this is an important decision. Also, it's a good idea to start talking about the PC alternative this situation. Right now, these consoles are getting so powerful that it almost makes PCs look lackluster, because right now, if you want a GPU as powerful as an Xbox One or Xbox Series X or PS5, it's going to cost you like $500 basically to match that same performance. So it's like, could you go out buy that PC with the insane graphics card that costs over $2,000, or just buy a simple console that has a really good graphics card, but also the whole console bundle, the whole interface, the whole UI, the whole social aspect of it. So it's a weird discussion, because I'm just gonna run through some spec differences on the two, because right now Xbox Series X was shown off, like Austin Evans did a video on it. They have hands-on already on it. The PS5 they haven't released yet, which is kind of weird. They only did this really boring talk about it, just discussing all the specs and stuff like that. But so the Xbox Series X, I'm just gonna run through like some quick specs and give you a quick comparison. Right now, there's no prices on each, but I think it's gonna be $500 to $600 roughly. They're both rocking AMD Zen 2 processors. The Xbox One is 3.8 gigahertz. They're both 8-core, and the PS5 is 3.5 gigahertz. So Xbox is slightly ahead there, and you'll see a common trend in this video how the Xbox Series X, I keep saying that wrong, slightly ahead on like in almost every single spec, which is crazy. For GPU or graphics, they both rock the AMD RDNA2. The PS5 is 10.28 teraflops, and the Xbox Series X has 12 teraflops. So as you can see, the Xbox Series X has more graphical power. Both have 16 gigs of RAM. For storage, they're both rocking SSDs, with Xbox Series X has 1 terabyte, and for some reason the PS5 only has 825 gigs, which is really strange number. I've never seen that before. Both have like 4K Blu-ray support. They both support 4K gaming. Pretty sure you can watch 8K on these. And that's basically it for like the PS5 specs. Like, other than that, we don't know too much about it. We know the dimensions of the Xbox Series X because it was actually shown off and all that good stuff. Right now the Xbox Series X is like 8.4 pounds, which is much heavier than the Xbox One X. So, and also the entire shape is completely different right now. Xbox Series X is coming with 3 USB-A ports, 3.0 ports, an HDMI optical audio, proprietary memory slot, and you can also upgrade the Xbox Series X with an external SSD, and they have a specific slot for, which is awesome. So let's talk about backwards compatibility, because that basically wraps up the specs. They're both wicked powerful. Performance is going to be there, rocking SSDs. The graphics is insane. The processor is really good. And it's going to be really optimized for the gaming experience. So here's one thing that's very unique about the Xbox Series X is it's basically 100% backwards compatible. You can play your Xbox One games on here, Xbox 360, even I think original Xbox games. PS5 is different. They're only allowing like up to 100 of the best PS4 titles or something like that. So that's one reason kind of knock the PS5. We got a hands-on look at the controller of the Xbox One X, Series X. I keep saying that wrong. It's very similar to the Xbox One's controller, but it has a share button in the middle, kind of like what Sony did on their previous controller for the PS4. As I said, no look at the PS5 yet. They only had that boring press conference about it. Right now, I'm not seeing too many pros for the PS5. Obviously, we haven't had a hands-on yet, so we can't say too much about it. But right now, the Series X is looking pretty solid for the most part. can't see too many cons, and I want to see how this affects the market for just gaming in general. Like if people are gonna switch over from PC to Xbox or console gaming, and I want to see how the battle of the consoles does this year, because they're going to be releasing holiday 2020, so the end of this year. They said like they were thinking about Thanksgiving for Xbox Series X. I mean, that kind of makes sense for Black Friday, since it's right next to Black Friday, but we'll have to wait and see. That wasn't 100% confirmed. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this basic video, my rundown, my thoughts. Personally, I think the Xbox Series X is sounding better at this moment than the PS5, obviously because we haven't seen as much information on the PS5, but we'll have to see, and I'll give you guys an update of that on the future. If you guys enjoyed this, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.